What's up, my Bitcoin friends? I hope the cryptoverse is treating you well today. I'm firing this screen recorder up right here, right now, because this is probably a wonderful short, folks. Probably a great spot to throw in a short. What you see before you is the daily chart. If you've never watched my videos, go ahead and like and subscribe because I give out good analysis, although my personal trading is suspect. My analysis is wonderful for the most part. So I'm not really going to tell anyone how to trade, I suppose. Let's just stick to the analysis. There's a daily chart since 2023 on the far left. Currently, we're in this ascending bearish channel at the very tippy top. Last video I made was back, I believe, around here. I said I was short, and no, it was here. This one. My bad. That worked out good for anyone that was interested there. It only came down towards that heart line, which I said, watch the heart line, watch the bottom of the red channel. This could, and eventually on a macro scale, this could come down, touch, 50,000. That's not out of the ballpark. For short term, I'm shorting right now. You can see actually the lines on the screen. I'm in at 80,006. 80,000 is a good number. This could come up a little bit. If it comes up, I'd say 80,800 is probably the top, local top. It should come back down. I'd watch the heart line here again. Let's zoom out a little so you can see what I'm doing. Watch the heart line again for a bounce, or maybe down here. And now this is the daily chart, so this could take weeks. There could be big red candles where it takes a day or two, but it could, I'm talking about weeks. Come down to the bottom of this red channel, and I don't know what's going on. I'm not the amazing Kreskin. Maybe it bounces off here and it just stays in this channel for months and months. Who knows? That could be happening, or it could eventually break down out of here, boom. Or it could break up, boom. I would give that about a 5% chance. Sideways and down, I'd give about a 95% chance from here at 80,000. Take it, leave it. I shorted at 80,000. I do think it's a great spot. I'm not telling anyone what to do. I could put like a stop loss right here. Put a stop loss right here. Now, this is probably going to be a kind of trade. So if it comes up, I get stopped. You get stopped out. You only lose a little bit. This is probably going to be the kind of trade if you short at 80,000. It's probably going to be the kind of trade where you can take your stop loss and just keep moving it down as the price goes. Just keep moving your stop loss down. So no matter what happens, you're in good profit. That's fun to do. That I do believe that's what this trade's going to end up being. This is the daily chart. I'm not talking about 30 minutes or 2 hours. But although the dump from 80 to 76, 75, that could be fairly rapid. That's what I think is going to happen. Take it, leave it. It could. I'm not ruling that. It could pump up and wipe you out. I think it's highly unlikely on the macro scale for Bitcoin to pump right now up out of this. Now it could, but there's no reason for it. We're at the start of what's always been in the history of Bitcoin. We're at the start of this stuff, for 12, 18 months, and then the big boom, right? So just the history of Bitcoin tells me it's not going to go up. I could be wrong. Have a good day. Later.